for every nation. Its infrastructure is a matter of true pride. For the ever-demanding work in quarries, road construction, irrigation, PWD and other tough construction jobs, Hyundai Construction Equipment strives to build state-of-the-art earth-moving equipment that offers better performance through a combination of power and innovation. The all-new SMART Plus series, with powerful upgraded features that provide maximum productivity, low fuel consumption, ultimate operator comfort, and extended maintenance intervals. Presenting one such marvel from the 20-ton excavators, the R215L SMART Plus. The turbocharged air-cooled engine is built to perform in a wide variety of heat, humidity and dust conditions without compromising productivity. Open center design of MCV ensures fast response and maximum efficiency in tough conditions. The electro-hydraulic control system provides a wide range of flow at various workloads for paramount productivity. X-frame provides excellent resistance to torsional bending to enhance structure life. The next generation interactive and newly improved touchscreen cluster monitor provides operators with the dynamic features and control for all the major functions of the machine with just a touch. The highly improved light touch lever helps the operator to operate the machine in a quick time and complete every task with utmost efficiency. With the touch of a button, get access to machine operation with a unique remote management system to receive service and maintenance alerts. With workshops renowned for their advanced technology and competency, operations undertaken include maintenance, servicing and reconditioning of products. The dealer network is spread across the length and breadth of the country to strengthen your trust in the brand, to offer you the very best service. With such unmatched capabilities, the R215L SMART Plus gives your business a competitive edge with more power, more productivity and more profits.